We have another equation to solve, and we can see the degree on x is pretty high, which means factoring is the only way to start to get this thing pulled apart. And since there's 4 terms here, we're going to try that factor by grouping. Group the first and second terms like this. Look at each term separately. Considering these first 2 terms, I can see the common factor is 4x squared. And if I wanted to put something inside of parentheses, this guy would need an x, because this times this would give me 4x cubed. And to get back to 8x cubed, I need a positive 2. And then for this part, I'm going to go ahead and need a negative 9. And I'll be left again with to get a negative 9x back, this should be x. And to get negative 18 back, I need a positive 2. These are identical, which means I'm doing this right so far. That common factor could be pulled out as well. If I take this guy's x plus 2 away, I'm left with 4x squared. And then this guy leaves just a negative 9. But then this guy will factor further. It's just the old-timey factoring of find 2 things that multiply to make 4x squared, find 2 things that multiply to make negative 9, but the inner and the outer have to make 0. So it's the trick of the same symbols, different signs. Same symbols, one set to give me 4x squared, one set to give me 9, different signs. This will guarantee a negative 9 as a product, and then the inner and outer will cancel. X plus 2 comes down, is supposed to equal 0, it is an equation, so we'll set each of these factors equal to 0, set up these different equations, and find out that x equals negative 2 is an answer. If 2x plus 3 equals 0, that means that 2x equals negative 3. That means x equals negative 3 over 2. And then if 2x minus 3 equals 0, and I add 3 to both sides, 2x equals 3. If I divide both sides by 2, x equals 3/2. So these are my solutions. X equals negative 2, x equals 3/2, and negative 3/2.